it's Explained Simply here, and today you will learn how to create your own custom YouTube icon. I'll be doing this today using my iPad and the Phonto app that I've chosen because it works on the iPad and it is free. So I'll go ahead and open that up and go ahead and hit the camera image and choose plain image. Now, if I'm going too fast, that's okay because you can always pause the video. So here I'm going to choose custom because I'm going to want to choose my own size, and 800 by 800 is the ideal icon size. So even if you don't use the Phonto app, you are going to want to choose an app that allows you to customize your size. I've already made some design choices, so I know that I want to have my background black, so I'll go ahead and apply that. And if you hit the icon up here, you will say use and you're ready to go. So I've also saved my photo that I want to use, so I'm going to hit add image and I'll go ahead and choose that, and you can bring it in however you want. I'm going to bring it in as a circle so that I have the whole image, and my background is black so it blends in. I would like that larger, but I want to make sure the whole daisy shows, so I'm not going to go the whole size. I'm going to choose 450. I know 450 is a safe size, that if it's on your icon, the whole image will show up. So I'm done with that, but I would like it perfectly centered. So the move button, you can perfectly center that. And then I would like an ES to represent Explained Simply. If you hit anywhere on there, you'll hit add text. And then I would like a capital E and a capital S. And I'll hit done. And that's not quite centered, so I will again go ahead and choose move. And there I'm done. Explained Simply with a simple icon represented by a daisy with an ES. That's what I've chosen and that's what I've created. So I'll go ahead and save my image, and next I'll show you how to upload that onto your page. Listing page, and I just click on the icon and hit the camera, and then I say that I would like to edit, and then from there I choose my new photograph. And I'll hit done, and the next time I open my page it'll be there. Wow, what a change. I gave it a few minutes because they said it might take a few minutes to upload, but when I reopened my YouTube page in just a couple of minutes, my change is there, and I think my icon looks great. And you can see just adding an icon really does a lot for your channel. And anyone who finds my page now will see this icon next to Explained Simply as my icon and YouTube channel name. Wishing you a daisy day. Like and subscribe for more Explained Simply videos.